Dana Garris, the creator of the YouTube channel known as Biker Stuff, has a way of holding the attention of people who are passionate about motorcycles. On the other hand, my feelings toward Dana are completely the opposite of what you might expect. It's not hatred, but rather a profound admiration for the work she does and a deep-seated love for the interesting content she produces. Because of Dana's lifelong love of bikes, she decided to open Biker Stuff, a community center that is especially geared toward people who are curious about the inner workings of a variety of motorcycles. After some time, she was joined by her husband, and together they established another channel known as BS2, Mrs. and Mr. Biker Stuff. Because Dana's spouse prefers to maintain his privacy, he is only occasionally seen in her movies. Because Dana provides such in-depth information about motorcycles, Biker Stuff is able to successfully capture and maintain the interest of its massive audience. Dana's extraordinary abilities in the field of motorcycle modification are largely responsible for her current level of recognition and the size of her audience. When you're just starting out, it can be difficult to comprehend how motorcycles function and how they should be maintained, but Dana makes it look simple and easy to do. She makes it a point to provide each and every pertinent piece of information, serving as a complete manual for those who follow her work. Dana is not just a person who enjoys riding motorcycles, she is also a mechanic who finds great enjoyment in working on motorcycles in her spare time. In addition to this, she has a passion for discovering new locations and has a tendency to document the travels and explorations she undertakes as part of her bicycle journeys. Dana's Biker Stuff was initially a side business, but it evolved into a significant source of income very shortly after it was started. She uses the money she makes from her YouTube channel to fund the process of constructing and repairing bicycles, which might cost her as much as $5,000 or possibly more. She responds to all questions, no matter how simple or complex, pertaining to bicycles and offers solutions that are appropriate. Dana, who used to be a model but now creates videos for YouTube full-time, is cool and collected. As a result of her more than 30 years of experience working in the field of motorcycles, her comprehension of bikes and her knowledge of them are unquestionable. She is still going strong with Biker Stuff despite the fact that she is 57 years old. One of Dana's most impressive skills is the fact that she taught herself how to fix cars. All of the information provided on Dana's Biker Stuff, from bikes and their accessories to maintenance, has been carefully researched and compiled by Dana herself. She considers traveling to be an essential component of her education and has a strong passion for discovering new areas on her bicycle. When Dana was 16 years old, she began her adventure by riding bicycles. She started off with a Honda Hub C50, then moved up to a Honda Cub C90, and finally settled on a Yamaha B-Wiz 50, which is a classic big boy. Her very first motorcycle purchase was a Honda CBR 125, and she later upgraded to a Honda CBR 400RR, which was the most impressive of the motorcycles she had in the past. The Honda CBR 1000, the Honda Devil, and the Honda CBR 400 NC20 are the three motorcycles that she now possesses in her collection. The videos that Dana has made of him creating bikes are quite interesting to see. Her audience is captivated by her ability to streamline the steps and provide comprehensive information. The fact that she bases the knowledge she offers on her own experiences and what she has learned makes the material she shares extremely meaningful. In spite of the fact that Dana never completed mechanic school, she has succeeded in life thanks to her passion for bicycles. Leave a comment below letting me know whether you like Biker Stuff too, if that's the case. This concludes our look at the video. If you found this video entertaining, please show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you watching and hope to have you back for the next one.